Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. For today's vlog is gonna be a special vlog because we're gonna unbox random blind boxes from PopMart. This series, I never had them before, but I'm curious about them. That's why I decided to get one each from this series. And at the same time, we're gonna free these freebies from PopMart. These are limited freebies. To be able for you to get these freebies, you have to accumulate certain points. And at the same time, guys, I'm gonna announce the winner of this Hirono Road Journal into Fagwild Plush Pendant because this is my first time to do a contest, a giveaway contest. So watch out for those who joined this contest. So these are the names that joined from this giveaway contest. So guys, check out your names here and I'm going to announce the winner later on. So watch out and tune in. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Before we begin, let me say thank you for those who joined my giveaway contest. And I'm so happy that they are so excited to get a Hirono plush. And Hirono is one of my favorite IPs from PopMart. So guys, let me start with the Pop Bean, the Monsters. I got two from these freebies from PopMart. So these are the Pop Beans, the Monsters. I got this white and the brown one. So let them free now and let's see how beautiful the actual figure outside this blister pack. Let me start with the white one. Okay, let me remove all the stickers. Then let's see if the quality of this pop bean are good enough as a freebie. Actually, to be able for you to get these freebies, you have to accumulate certain points and like each point is you have to spend like 56 pesos to get 1 point. And this point is around 55 points to get this pop bean. So let's see. There are okay, there's another tape here. That's why it's not opening. Okay. Here, let me show you first the art card. It's really nice because yeah, it's a hard art card. It's very hard, thick material they used here. I really like the artwork of the white Labubu. So let's see. I believe this is kind of pajama party if I'm not mistaken. Oops. Okay, let me show you closely this pop bean. The white one. I'm not sure what's the name of the white one. Let me check and figure it out later for you. So this white Labubu pop bean has this orange party hat. Uh, I'm not just so sure if I like this one because of the closed eyes of Labubu, but this one is so cute though, but I prefer an open eyes Labubu. So this one is so small, it's a size of a pop bean. So what can you say about this white Labubu, guys? Just let me know your thoughts, comment down below. Let's proceed with our second pop bean, the monster, the brown Labubu. So let me remove the hang card as a background. Let me show you, though the eyes of Labubu here on the background is closed eyes as well, but the actual figure is an open eyes. So let me show you. We have this brown Labubu. Same with the white Labubu. They have this orange party hat. Actually, they look the same. Just the color of the fur is the difference. This one is quite pearlescent white, and this one is like a chocolate brown. And Labubu here, and the brown color has these open eyes, and they have just the same positioning. And at the back side, it's just the same. But I guess I prefer the brown Labubu, guys. What do you think? Which one is your favorite from this pop bean of the monsters? The white or the brown? Please let me know your thoughts. Comment down below. So let's proceed now with the blind boxes, and let me start with the 14th anniversary series. This is the Pop Mart much less, no, much less Pop Mart 14th anniversary series figures. So they have 12 confirmed figures and one secret, which I believe is Dimo is the secret here. And if you watch my previous vlog, I unboxed some figures from this lineup, which I had already the Dimo Immortal, I have the Solitary Hermit, I have the Fox Spirit, I had the Moonlight Assassin of Pino Jelly, of course, Heroic Beggar of Sweet Bean, and I had the Scholar of Cranes of Hachipupu. So I'm still missing Butterfly Whisperer of Skull Panda, and Molly Drunken Master, Wandering Swordman of Labubu, Serene Traveler of Paki, and Maple Slayer of Kubo. Oh, actually, I don't have the dual extremities of Sig as well. And the secret. So let's see. I hope I'll get. Hmm. I wanna get actually Kubo as a Maple Slayer here. So let's see if I'm able to get this one or the Wandering Swordman, which is the Labubu. So I'm going to unbox this one at the bottom part again to keep the box in a good condition. Oops. Let's see. I don't wanna see the spoiler yet. Oh, this one's quite small and very light. And they use the typical foil of Pop Mart. Our first figure for the blind boxes is one, two, three. Oh, we got Molly! Wow! Molly here looks a karate master. She's wearing these. Oh, I'm not sure if this is the one who is the famous Adidas Chinese New Year hoodie. And she's wearing this black, I don't know, she's wearing this red one and with this blue sneakers like an Adidas, and she has this headband. It seems like Molly here is quite curly hair and still has these emerald green eyes. So let me see all the, okay, there's a lot of inclusions here. And this is the art card. We got the Drunken Master. A really nice art card. A lot of inclusions. So let me put the stand. I'm not sure what is this. It looks like a small ah aquarium. It's like a goldfish inside. And of course, Tabby, the orange cat of Molly. So this is the stand. Okay. Oh, okay. I have to put this one here. Okay, and Tabby should be here sitting, and okay, she's holding this, okay, clear bowl of, yeah, I'm not sure if this is like a clear bowl fish bowl, and there's a golden fish with a splash of the water, and Tabby also carrying this clear white bowl. Very nice. Very cute. It's not my prio actually, but it should be a very nice added collection for my 14th anniversary series. Wow! I just noticed that there is a golden dragon design at the back of the outfit of Molly here. Very cute actually. Very nice one. Very good quality material. So what can you say about the Drunken Master of Molly for the from the 14th anniversary series? Please comment down below. Guys, I almost forgot the Twinkle Twinkle Pop Beans. Oh my goodness. Anyway, actually this is not Pop Bean. It's like an actual figure of the Sweet Bean. This is 100% cute. And this is sweet. Create your taste. Twinkle Twinkle. I got this one from my accumulated points. This one's quite high points, so definitely this very expensive. So let's see. I almost forgot to free them from the blister pack. There's a lot of stickers here. I want to keep the stickers intact so that I can still keep them in this blister hanging pack. So, anyone here a fan of Twinkle Twinkle? Definitely you will like this one. Okay, so this is the art card. I'm so happy that I kept the hang card in a good, nice condition. A very nice artwork. The the material is so thick, very good quality. So let me free now these two Twinkle Twinkle uh, freebies. Oops. Okay. Let me show you the first one first. The first one first. So we got these. It looks like a milk tea. Let me show you. There's some boba on the bottom part of Twinkle Twinkle. It's glossy finish. The face of Twinkle Twinkle is matte finish material, guys. I like that there's some star design on the tip of the. I'm not sure it's like a sauce tip. Very nice. And let me show you this cherry sweet. I'm not sure if this cherry flavor milk tea. Still glossy finish. Very nice artwork of the cherry on the tummy of Twinkle Twinkle. They are look good together. It looks like the cherry has these green eyes. The one has black eyes. I like the freckles. I like the whiskas. Very cute tandem. What can you say about these two Twinkle Twinkle guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with this blind box from Kubo Angel's Poem series. Actually, I like all the figures from this series, but I don't know why I didn't get any of these figures. But let's see if I'm gonna like them in an actual figure. So they have 12 confirmed figures and one secret, which has a probability of 1 over 144. And from this lineup, I wanna get the Burning Rage. I like also the Stabbing the Soft Heart, the Obsessive Domination, and Indulge in Temptation. These four, actually, I like Fading Melody as well. So let's see if I'm able to get my prios. Anyone here, a Kubo fans, please comment down below. You will definitely like this one. So let's see. Our first Kubo Angel's Poem series figure. And let's see if I'm gonna like this one and if I'm going to get the full series soon. Oh, surprisingly, they didn't use a branding from Kubo on the foil. They used a typical Pop Mart foil. It's quite small. So I'm not sure who's this. So let's see, guys. One, two, three. Oh, the angel one, I guess. Oh, the one in the cover. What the heck? Anyway, oh, she looks so peaceful here. It's not actually an angel wing. It's like a dragonfly wings. It has this pearlescent finish. If you can see, there's some glittery finish on the like a tip or a top of the wings. It's closed eyes. There are some daisy flowers on the brown hair of Kubo here. He has this like a piece of cloth covering him, and I'm not sure if this is like a tattoo. Well, let's see. Let me show you first the art card. We got the Blooming Melody. Wow, very nice one. Let me put all together the inclusions. So this is the stand. And this is like a trumpet with these daisy flowers, a bouquet of daisy flowers with this red ribbon. He's holding this golden trumpet. He looks like a small angel or a cupid. Wow, very serene looking of Kubu here. You have to put this one. He looks like floating in the air. It's actually nice, not my prio from the lineup, but he looks so Like beautiful boy, a very calm one. Very nice actually. But what can you say about the blooming melody of Kubo? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with this demo Memories We Hold series. And they have 12 confirmed figures again and one secret, same with probability of most of the figures, 1 over 144. This is the newest release of Demo Memories We Hold series. I don't like actually the artwork. It's so pale. And these are the lineup. From this lineup, I really want to get the Cosmic Dream, the First Swim. I like the Purring Thread. Mm-hmm. Okay. Blooming from the Mud as well. So let's see. This one's quite heavy. Let's see if we're able to get a beautiful figure from this series. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna like the series. It's quite heavy. Then again, they used the branding of Dimu. It's quite chunky figure. Our next figure now. One, two, three. Oh! Oh, it's cute! Very cute one. It's so pastel color. It's like, oh, there's some surprise here. The cloud or the friend, bird of Dimu. Wow. We got the snowfield swing. Is it here? Okay, we got the snowfield swing. The color is so pastel. It's actually cute. It's like a 3D painting, an oil pastel 3D painting figure. If you can check it closely, the clouds or maybe these are a melted snow. It's so shimmery. I believe this is a snow one. And it looks like the bird is trying to fly away Dimu here. Like he's riding in a, what do you call this one? Swing? And this is the rope. He's wearing a pink hoodie. I actually like the details of Dimu. They did a lot of good job when it comes to detailing of each figure. The rope, the melting snow, the face of Dimu. Very nice one. Actually, it's not my prio, but actually Dimu here is so cute. What can you say about the snowfield swing of Dimu, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with these two Ziga. And I got the Winter of Gifts and the new release Under the Sun. These are the difference of the artwork from the box. Okay, let me start with the Winter of the Gifts. The Winter of Gifts series. Happy holidays because this was released during Christmas season. I didn't able to get this one. That's why I decided to get one and check if this one is a good quality figure. Though actually Siga is one of the underrated figures from Pop Mart or IPs from Pop Mart because they have these good quality materials. And if you can see, each figure has different, different vibe, and I actually like them all. If you watch my previous vlog, I have some Sigas that I'm collecting. So this will be an added collection. And let's see if I'm gonna like this one. This is a Christmas theme figures. And these are the lineups. From the lineups, I wanna get the last lap. I wanna get the gingerbread. Uh-huh. The snow cedar. Actually, tag presence is cute also. And let's see if this is the secret. Oh, okay. They have one secret only. Okay. Let's see who will be the next Siga collection. Okay, yeah. This is what I like about Siga, guys. They use this very good packaging, very minimalist. it's not plastic, it's actually foil, paper foil. And there's a branding of Siga here. They really did good job when it comes to branding, to artwork, to quality of the figure. So let's see our next figure. One, two, three. Oh, the one that I like. Okay, we got tag presents. Let me show you the art card. Wow. See? This is what I'm talking about. Very nice art card. The Winter of Gifts present. Look how beautiful the art card. Very nice. Ziga. They said Z Ziga. Not Siga. Z Ziga. Look how beautiful the art card, guys. Very nice one. And the figure. Look how quality. It looks like Ziga is a Santa Lady here. And look the tears. It's a snow tears. Look the outfit of Santa. Even the shoes or socks of Siga has this Santa vibe. And the small Siga on the side. Wonder Gifts. Look how beautiful. Right? This is what I'm talking about, Ziga. They are very underrated. Very nice one. Wow. What can you say about Siga, guys? Gift tag or tag presents, please comment down below. Let's proceed with our last blind box. This is the newest release of Ziga Under the Sun series. Look the artwork. Yeah, it's very nice. And surprisingly, they are trying to mellow down the face of Siga. Siga is becoming soft now, like a little lady. Unlike before, their other series like Siga looks so naughty, grumpy, and now maybe Siga is getting old now, being a ladylike type figure. That's why they are softening the face of Siga. So this is the newest release. These are the lineup. They have 12 confirmed figures and one secret. So from the lineup, I wanna get the Solitude, the long hair. I wanna get the Trickster. Also the Companion and the Wait. I like this one. Or maybe the Secret. Are we lucky enough to get a secret from this single box? Oh, the top box is so cute as well. Look, it reminds me of um like a school girl writing in a notepad, doodling on the notepad. Look how beautiful, surprisingly, the artwork. So, our last blind box, and this is Siga. Let's see if I'm gonna get also my prio or lucky enough to get the secret. Okay. Whoops. Oh, don't destroy the box. Okay. It's quite chunky again. Okay, I hope this is a secret. Let's see. One, two, three. Oh! Wow! Wow! This is so beautiful! Wow! I like this! Look! Look how beautiful! Wow! I got surprised! It's not a secret, but it's so beautiful. The one that I like. The weight. Look the artwork. Very nice one. Wow. Now, it seems like I want to get the full series of this IP. The newest release of Ziga. Look, the heart is like a gummy finish. It's translucent. Look the intricate details of this figure, guys. It's so simple, but look the art, how artistically done this heart shape. pillow. It's like a gummy texture finish and it's translucent. You can see the body of the Ziga on the back. Ziga, she has these blue eyes, wearing this white dress with this, brown finishing on the bottom part. She looks so sad, waiting for someone, waiting for the true love, I guess, because of this heart-shaped pillow. Very nice one. I like this one. Wow, I got surprised with this figure. Should I get more? I guess I will. So what can you say about this figure, guys? The weight of Siga. Please comment down below. So guys, are you excited for the winner of my first ever giveaway contest? Okay, stay tuned because before that, we're gonna unbox the Naughty Cashier of Labubu. My first ever Naughty Cashier. It's so big, so I don't know if how I'm gonna fit this one in my screen right now. But let me show it first to you. Very nice one. Let me set aside all the figures first so that I can show you clearly the box of the Naughty Cashier of Labubu. I'm going to set aside all this beautiful figure first. Okay, I guess that's it. Anyway, it reminds me of the branding of one of the convenience store. I'm not sure it's quite, you know, it's quite combination of the 7-Eleven or combination of Alphamart. So this is the Naughty Cashier. I guess this is quite like 400, almost 400% figure. Let me show you the side part, the monster, Sail de la Bubu. I guess this one, you can see here the artwork, caution wet floor. I guess this is like connected or uh, if you remember the Wacky Mart series. Yeah, right? Maybe this one's quite related to Wacky Mart series. So let's see. This is the artwork. I'll get back to you. I'll remove him in the box so that it will be fast. This is the other side. So, give me a second now. So guys, this is the Naughty Cashier. Let me show you the art card. It's so nice. It's very thick art card. Very good quality material. It's Labubu, the Naughty Cashier. Let me set aside and let me free Naughty Cashier here. Wait, there's a lot of tape here again? What the heck? Okay. Okay. Wow! I almost dropped it. Okay! Look! It's so beautiful! Wow! Can he move his eyes? Or, oh wow! Yeah! You can move the eyes. I like the softness of the fur. What I like about this one is the outfit. Look, the visor, the monsters Labubu. It's so nice. Even the dress has this good quality stitching. Very good one. It's still zip tie on the neck and on the head, but I don't like to remove it because I wanna keep this one in this area as I wanna keep him forever. I'm just gonna show it to you. Even the jeans is so cute with this monster. Very nice one. I really like this one actually. The blush on the cheeks. It's so cute. Very cool. Wow. But before guys, we end this one, please keep tuning in this video because I have another surprise at the end of this video. So guys, are you excited now to announce the winner after this? But what can you say about the Naughty Cashier of Labubu? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the moment of truth and the one you've been waiting for. the announcement of the winner of the Into Fagwile of Hirono plush pendant. But before that, I have another announcement that you have to check because I'm going to give another giveaway, which is Molly, the one we unboxed for today's vlog, and one pop bean of Labubu. So, to be able for you to win from this contest, you have to subscribe in my channel, you have to like and share this video, you have to comment why you like Molly and why you like the pop bean of Labubu, and you have to screenshot that you subscribe to my channel and the comment and send it to my FB account. So guys, are you excited? Okay, so this is the moment of truth. The winner of, let me show you first, Hirono Journal Into Fagwild series or Into Fagwild pendant. Look how cute these little cuties of Hirono. Are you excited now? Okay. And the winner is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh! It's Gian Oliva! Congratulations, Gia! Oh my God, I'm so happy for you. And I'm going to send you a message that you win this little cutie Hirono Plus Journal. Gian Oliva, congratulations once again. So Gian Oliva, if you are watching right now, please comment down below and I'm gonna reach out to you if you are the real winner of our first ever giveaway contest of Hirono Plus Journal, which is the Into Fagwild. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog. I love them all, but my favorites, of course, the 2 Ziga and our Naughty Cashier. If you have other favorites, guys, please comment down below. If you had fun watching this vlog, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscriber, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, congratulations to Gian Oliva and thanks for watching. Bye!